In this lesson, we're going to do one more look at high pitches versus low pitches and actually look at some sound wave examples to understand exactly what's going into creating different sounds. So high pitches have more cycles per second, and that creates higher pitches that we talked about last time, like 880 versus 55. So when we have high pitches, we know there's going to be a lot of vibrations, going to be a lot of waves. And what's interesting is we can actually see how loud the sound is going to be by how big the sound waves are. So we can see that right here, we have some pretty big waves. Yeah, they're going up and down. That means it's a loud sound. Whereas over here, we have very small waves, and that's going to be for a quiet sound. We can see that there's still 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, the same number of waves per second, but the size of the waves determines how loud or how quiet the sound is. Let's talk about some low pitches. So low pitches have fewer sound cycles or sound waves per second. And just like the higher pitches, when the waves are larger, the sound is louder, and the waves are smaller, the sound is quieter. So right here, this is a big sound. This is very loud. This is like, watch your ears. Whereas this one right here is a quiet sound, like very different. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing, and I will see you in the next video.